Well, a little and a lot has been going on over the past couple of years. I've been spending most of my time working overseas, but have done what I can in the time I've been back in the garage. The car sat for the winter underneath a coat of DTM primer, so I wasn't in much of a hurry to get to the long task of putting on and sanding off layer upon layer of body filler. From a few steps away, the body looked straight and smooth, but once I started sanding the primer, 80 grit, the true spots of the blemished metal underneath started to show. I did my practicing on the rear trunk lid. It's the flattest part and at a good height for me to learn how much and how little guide coat and filler were needed. Too much time was spent on this, but it taught me a lot before I tackled the more difficult areas of the rear quarter panels and doors. There's only about 1,000 videos about bodywork on YouTube, but if I can send my thanks to Sylvester Customs down in California for the encyclopedia of knowledge offered. So many great tips on mixing the filler, how to apply it, how to remove it, etc., etc., etc. Worth every second of the watch. Initially, I used a suggested blend of extreme and gold to get a longer time before it would set up, but eventually just the extreme. I liked it that it was a little thinner, went on smoother, and was easier to sand. Here, up at 3,400 feet above sea level, and the relative cooler temperatures didn't cause me too many problems of the filler kicking early. As well, I also preferred to wait longer, allowing the filler to get quite set up for me to sand. Not necessarily quick on the hours, but baking an apple pie for dessert kept me occupied. Did I enjoy my time layering up and sanding down the filler? I look at it as like going to the gym in your 50s. You don't really like it much. It takes work and energy. You wonder if it's worth it. But eventually you see the results and are glad you took the extra time to do it. Now for some gear porn. I brought the engine to the machine shop for a full refit. The thinking went like this. Well, the engine is out, might as well get it checked and decked. Fresh new pistons aren't that expensive, so might as well get some good ones. And the forge set is only a few $100s more, so might as well get those ones. And with a large bore and performance pistons, you're going to need performance valves and springs, and those valves are going to need performance cams and head bolts, and, well, you see where this is going. The shop did a beautiful job, and I'm looking forward to dropping it in and hearing and feeling the results. Oh, and can't take all that performance metal if there's not enough fuel to get to it. Yep. All right, back to the salt mines. More filler, more time, but some strong progress is found. Another spray of primer and another winter of taking up space in the garage while I go off to work.